Thanks for joining us. On this episode of Ginger Adventures, we will be visiting Wonderscope. Wonderscope is a children's museum where kids can freely interact with experiments and enriching activities. Here we go!
Hi, my name's Axel. Let me show you around. Wow! This is what's called a pulley system. There are 3 types of pulleys: fixed pulley, compound pulley, and moving pulley. This one I'm using here is a fixed pulley. Now, over at the pitch, I can work on my instep and toe kicks. This will help me get ready for my soccer season.
He shoots, he scores. Goal!
Let's go see what they have in some other areas. I'm gonna see if I can't find my brother. I think he's over here. Like this, Rocco. Waterworks. Splashing away and playing with others. This has gotta be my favorite area. Well, just look at all the activities you can get into. Would you look at what we have here? A school bus. Well, let me get on in here. I've always wanted to drive one of these. No day is complete without practicing for the future. Here I'm working on my carpentry skills. Gonna use this claw hammer and drive some nails. Although this was a lot of fun, it was fun because I took safety first. Here I have my hard hat and my safety glasses. Watch out for my little fingers. This here is a hand saw. It can be used for cutting wood. Boy, I sure enjoyed this day. Thanks for coming along with me. I hope you had fun. See you next time on Ginger Adventures.